Oh my God. Double doors?
Double doors is fancy.
Pizza delivery. Oh, oh wow, holy crap.
Ooh.
Oh, oh, it keeps going.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Guys, today is gonna be a very crazy day. First off, it is Jared's birthday. We're gonna be going to the 3-bedroom grand villa at the Riviera Resort, and then we're gonna have dinner up at Topolino's Terrace. But I just looked it up, and the room costs $3,400 a night. Before we go there, Jared wants to stop by Animal Kingdom for a couple hours.
Well, we are at Animal Kingdom today, and as you can see, there's not too many people here. It is Jared's birthday, and he wanted to come back to work. He wanted to come back to Animal Kingdom. Why, Jared?
Because I haven't been here as a guest since we closed.
The baby Captain Barbosa has been born.
Wait, look, there it is, right there, right there.
Oh,
look, film it.
So Dom, what's the Barbosa's baby's name?
Kiana.
Why is it named Kiana?
I don't know.
The little baby Barbarossa was born 3 months ago. I feel sorry for him being born into this year. Her this year.
Now Dom, how do you know it's a her?
Because the Wilderness Explorer told us. And the animal keeper. And the animal keeper.
Now what's better than taking a picture of the tree of life? Taking a picture of people taking a picture of the tree of life. Okay, we're about to go into Creature Comforts. All social distanced in here. It is packed. All right, thank you so much.
It's always loud in Starbucks, and I literally couldn't hear anybody because of the mask. Everybody just kind of muddles through their orders. Okay, Mermaid Man. I got the mango lemonade dragon fruit. That's a good way to start the morning.
So for my birthday, I got a name change according to the people at Starbucks.
Derek.
Never had that one before.
Kylie, I've never been on this ride before. What happens?
So basically you get to go teleport to Africa and someone will drive a truck, say some random words, point out some really fun animals, and...
You really sold it there for me. I can't wait.
It's a great 20 minutes of your life. It's a bumpy ride.
Now today is Gerald's birthday. If you were gonna gift Gerald an animal, what would you gift him?
A warthog.
Okay.
Because they're cute. They're like a cute little hairy rock.
And I'll just have to stand downwind from it when it's at our apartment.
Yeah. I mean, they'll snuggle because they're just like a pig.
I was wondering if we could do this, Jared. Do you want to do this for your birthday? So
it's not funny.
Sorry, okay. I can see they furloughed this position and replaced them with a sign. We always take Fast Pass, but we're in standby right now. It's a 10-minute wait. I never read these little signs. The zebra. Every zebra's stripes are unique. Lions sleep up to 20 hours a day. Hippopotamuses can outrun a human on land. Giraffes can run around 30 miles per hour.
It's always great doing the safari because it's different every single time. As you can see, they're building something new at the end. God, I love this view.
Good news, in the Everest gift shop, they have a llama hat that you can wear.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's a great day. That's why we say happy birthday to you.
Okay, we're leaving Animal Kingdom right now, and we're gonna be taking Jared to a very special hotel.
We are here at the Riviera. Probably wondering, what are these two doing dressed up?
Not doing
Yeah, hey,
what?
okay, you know
Turn
what?
the camera over to yourself.
I have a button up. This is what happened, okay? COVID-19 happened, and I gained the COVID-19, so none of my fancy clothes fit anymore. And I'm unemployed, so I'm not gonna go out and spend money on new fancy clothes. And I do wanna say, it's like 100 degrees out, and I feel perfectly fine, but these two, I know, are sweating a little bit.
It is a perfectly reasonable temperature out here
Uh-huh.
to be wearing this many clothes.
How many layers? 3?
Three.
Number 3, my lord.
The Riviera, I think, is my favorite resort on property because there's a special lady working right now.
Hey, hi, honey. How are you doing? Ooh, Allison is now taking us into the 1 bedroom. Oh my God. King size bed with the little Aristocats right there. Ooh. You got a big old closet. You got, ooh. Oh!
my God.
Oh, they slide at the same time. That's so cool.
I had no idea what was gonna happen.
Ooh, tub review, Dom. Tub review.
It looks just like the one at the lodge, to be honest.
Nice mirror going on. Okay, another little Easter egg. So you got Tiana and Naveen right there.
I haven't pulled it down yet.
Ooh, okay, I remember the shower, nice and big. That's that clothesline that Jared told us about. Ooh, and then the other bathroom. There's another bathroom over there. Nice sink. Yeah, like a chandelier in here. You get a beautiful view. And if you look, there's a little hidden Mickey right there. Nice muscles. Oh.
Aw, that's cute.
Oh.
That's a good mattress.
Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa.
I know I've already seen the studio, so we don't have to.
Yeah. Except for this afternoon.
Cute little Remy right there. Okay. Oh, then what's over here? Got a mirror? Oh, okay. Another sink, another bedroom, pull-out beds, 2 of them right there, another bathroom. Okay, Allison is now taking us to our next bougie hotel room. You got the Mickey right there, the Goofy. Wait, that's Goofy, so that's Pluto.
Similar.
Donald. Wait, oh my God. Double doors.
Double doors, fancy.
Pizza delivery. Go. Welcome home.
Welcome. Oh wait, is that what I was supposed to say?
Oh, wow. Holy crap.
Ooh.
Oh.
Watch your
Oh, it keeps going. It's going. Oh.
Might be nicer than the grand.
Can we have a football game in here? What? This is the doorbell? What? There's not an ancient artifact in the kitchen. They have a Keurig. Ooh, this is the bougie one too.
Wait, is
Oh, master's on this side.
on that side? I'm not ready.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, it does look at an Instagram wall. In the kitchen. This is crazy. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at the archway. So this is Mickey, and then this kind of looks like Cinderella's carriage. Wow. Okay, this, guys, this beats out the cabin. This is crazy. Look at Look at the view out there. And I see you got a little Minnie Mouse and a Mickey Mouse. Oh, little Sebastian's Bistro.
Aww.
Where I used to work, and look at this being built every single day. You know, a full-size mirror. All these plates. Little hidden Mickeys everywhere. The Riviera. Why do you need 2 full-size mirrors right next to each other? Little Remy, a pot. Oh, this is the master.
Wait till you see the bathroom.
Oh my God. Oh, Dom, wait till you see this. You're not prepared to see this, buddy.
Let me see the bed first. Let me see the view. And then I'll turn around to see it.
You got a nice bed. The Beauty and the Beast characters right there.
I'm gonna hate this. I'm gonna hate this. This is really big.
No, I can't figure out how to turn it.
Yeah.
What? Okay. It's not as big as the Grand Villa.
What do you mean? That shower is huge, Dom.
I don't see 6 nozzles.
You could fit like 7 ECVs in there.
Yeah, you can fit
Look.
and not half.
Do you see how big this is?
This honestly reminds me of
This is huge. Ooh. And they got the little fancy fold on the toilet paper. Oh, you're right. There's no TVs in the mirrors. That's the Grand has that over this. And they have a scale. I don't think people want to get on a scale during their vacation. You got a beautiful tub there. I want to go see the guest room now.
Oh yeah, there's 2.
There's 2?
Yeah.
Oh, there's just 2 guest rooms. That's it.
Oh, full size washer and dryer.
Oh, it's not the stacked ones.
Whirlpool.
Oh, snap.
Oh my god, those are great washer and dryers for a hotel. Are you me?
We become adults that we now get excited about washer and dryers. We're no longer little kids.
So that pulls out.
Jared, look at this.
So this bathroom kind of is with this bedroom, and these paintings in here are only in the Grand Villas.
Really?
Like Wally, they're my favorite.
Oh my gosh.
Look, you can see the cockroach and Mo.
Yeah, oh my gosh. And they even got the little cockroach right there. Oh, little Eve and Wally. Oh, and look.
lamps.
They have nightstands that are big enough. I love that backlight. Nice sink, nice shower. Should we go this way or should we go that way? So this is, I
Have
guess,
you seen this painting?
we had this painting when we stayed here. A little Lightning McQueen right there.
Someone pointed something out to me this morning that I never noticed.
What?
This is also a car and like a wheel.
Oh, you're
That's in
right.
front of like an old tiny car.
Like how they have at Radiator Springs
Yeah.
in Disneyland. A nice
they have their own
view.
private.
Nice size shower. Nice size bathroom. Lots of room, you know. When those buffets get to you. Tiana right there. Okay, so there's 2 entrances. You can do like the Olympic sprints in here. You got a sound bar, pre-cleaned remote, not just normal tic-tac-toe, granite tic-tac-toe. Little Pluto right there. Allison just told us that the sleep's 12. Thank you for letting us live bougie for a little bit, okay? We'll see you in a little bit. Now, we're gonna be going to Topolino's Terrace. We'll see you in a little bit.
Now, guys, don't be mad at me. You guys are gonna have to wait for part 2 of that day. We went up to Topolino's Terrace. It's a very interesting story, let's just say that. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I will send you a personal notification when that video gets posted. If you want to see us do more luxury resort room tours, hit that like button. Guys, I love you all. Please stay safe, and I will see you all on Monday. Bye.
This reminds me of one of those little fugglers, those little plush creepy toys.